Hey everyone, I am back with another grocery haul. This is a grocery haul for Mother's Day barbecue that we're having, as well as some other things to drink or to eat throughout the week. So we went to Aldi and Sam's Club. So from Aldi, I picked up these plates. They're just cheapy paper plates just to have for cake. I bought an ice cream cake from Baskin Robbins. So we're just going to have that on paper plates for dessert. I picked up some jalapeno cheddar chips and mesquite barbecue. These are actually just to have around the house. Someone else is bringing snacks for tomorrow. We just needed mayonnaise. I'm a Hellmann's girl through and through, but this stuff is almost identical, so we don't mind that. I needed some cornbread mix for a cornbread salad that I'm making. This confetti cake mix was on clearance, as well as the icing for it, so I just picked those up to have in my pantry as like a sweet treat since I have been trying to bake every week. We needed some ranch dressing for that cornbread salad, as well as the corn and kidney beans are also for that. I just needed some more unsalted sweet cream butter for baking. Brown sugar, this is for the rub for the ribs, as well as just to have on hand. Mine got pretty, they're in airtight containers, but I don't know, the lid must not have been on right all the way, so it got really hard in the container, so I just needed some new. Green onions for baked potatoes and also for the cornbread salad. 3 limes just for beverages. A thing of bacon for baked beans, which I already bought from Kroger, and then also for on the baked potatoes. Matt wanted some fruit snacks and these teddy bear grams, some light sour cream, baking potatoes. I got some lemonade. I have not tried this, so we'll see how that goes. I needed dishwashing detergent, so we are trying that. And then purple onions. And then from Sam's Club, we got a case of Diet Coke, and then 2 things of beer, just to have in our fridge. And then we went for the ribs. They have really great deals on these ribs. This is 3 slabs of ribs, 10.5 pounds, and it was $41.63. So, I don't know, I think they're really awesome. And then we also needed green beans there, and there's a really good deal, and they looked pretty nice. So I grabbed those. So that is everything that we got. Pretty small haul, but I figured I would share with you guys. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Bye guys.